Choosing the right toilet in Australia? Ever walked into a bathroom showroom and felt totally overwhelmed by all the toilet options? Which one should you actually choose? Hi guys, I'm your MyHomeware bathroom assistant. Today, I'm breaking down the most common toilet styles in Australia so you can pick the perfect one for your home. Type 1. Back-to-wall toilets. This is the classic go-to choice for Aussie homes. The cistern sits against the wall, looks clean and simple, and won't break the bank. You're looking at around $200 to $600. Why people love them? Easy to install, easy to fix, easy to clean. The downside? When you compare them to in-wall or smart toilets, they look pretty traditional and don't feel quite as modern. Type 2. In-wall toilets. For style and modern design. Want your bathroom to look sleek and modern? I strongly recommend in-wall toilets. You've got two main types, wall hung or floor mounted. The magic is the cistern gets hidden inside the wall. All you see is a flush button on the outside. Your bathroom instantly looks clean, modern, and takes up very little space. Perfect for that minimalistic vibe. Plus, no tricky corners around the toilet plant, so cleaning is super easy. However, they cost more to install because they need to be built into the wall. You've got to consider buttons, cistern, and the toilet bowl, which is why the price is higher. If you got a bigger budget, consider smart toilets, automatic flushing, heated seats, even deodorizing function. The only downside is the price. Anywhere from $1,500 to $8,000, depending on features and brand. Type 3. Special rough-in toilets. Not sure what style fits your bathroom? Just want to replace your toilet without renovating the whole bathroom? Here are a few options. Situation 1. Your water valve is too close to the center. Choose closed couple toilets. The good news? You can change the toilet without changing the water valve. The downside? This style looks. Situation 2. Your rough-in distance is too long. Go for connector toilets. In Australia, standard rough-in is usually 140mm to 240mm. If your floor waist is longer than that, both closed couple and connector toilets can handle different measurements, though they look more traditional. Situation 3. Your waste outlet is on the wall or at a weird angle. You'll need skew toilets. These are especially designed for tricky plumbing angles and solve these awkward connection problems perfectly. Type 4. Specialized toilets for different needs. Finally, toilets designed for specific people. For homes with lots of men, urinals are actually super practical. They're hygienic, save water, and might help avoid some bathroom cleanliness arguments. You know what I'm talking about. For families with elderly members or people with mobility issues, accessibility toilets are essential. Higher seats, grab rails, safer and more comfortable to use. And for families with young kids, junior toilets are fantastic. They're kid-size and help them learn to use the toilet independently.
To wrap up, so there you have it.
The most common toilet styles in Australia, plus some hot tips for specialized toilets. Back-to-wall for reliable and practical, in-wall or smart for modern and stylish, special rough-in styles for tricky plumbing, and specialized options for different needs. Hope this helps everyone renovating right now or looking to start soon. Got more bathroom questions? Follow MyHomeware for more tips. See you next time.